Good evening, everyone. In this video, I'll be showing you how to write different types of regressions. In this question, we are asked to write a linear regression equation for the following data, rounding all coefficients to the nearest hundredth. Now, we have this table over here. We have our x values, which are 1, 5, 6, 9, 13, 16, 20, and 23. And our y values are 0, negative 20, negative 34, negative 51, negative 79, negative 97, negative 100, and negative 150. If this question were asking what type of regression it is, we would say exponential, because in an exponential regression, it's increasing, but it's decreasing, but not at a constant rate. All right? But in this case, we're asked to write a linear regression. Now, there is a calculator trick I am going to show you guys. So, we're going to open up our statistics calculator, and you'll see you're able to edit your lists. Now, instead of rewriting the whole table, you're going to click copy values for calculator, and then you'll click this button where you can paste your values. So you don't have to keep going through tab to copy down the values. Once you've done that, you'll go to main menu and you'll click on calc menu. Then for the sub menu, you're going to click on whatever the question asks you to do. And the question says to write a linear regression. All right? So if we write our linear regression, diagnostic remain off. If we calculate, now to calculate the linear regression, it's y equals ax plus b. This formula looks similar to when we did slope-intercept. So all we need is a and b. I know that a is negative 6.2978659453, and b is 683,769,161,407. But according to our question, we have to round to the nearest hundredth. So when we're rounding to the nearest hundredth, you're rounding to the second number after the decimal. So if I look at negative 6.297, I'm rounding to the nearest hundredth. The second number after the decimal is 9. So I'm looking at the third number after the decimal, and I know that the third number after the decimal is higher than 5, which tells me to round up, which means that my A will be negative 6.3 or negative 6.30. You can write it either way, but we know it's negative 6.3 by rounding to the nearest hundredth. Now, what about our B value? Again, we're rounding to the second number after the decimal, which is our hundredths place. If we look at the thousandths place, which is our third number after the decimal, again, it's higher than 5, and that tells us to round up. So that gives us to 6.84. Now, how can we write this as an equation? Well, we know that our linear regression is y equals ax plus b. So we have y equals, be careful because our a value is negative. So we have negative 6.3 x plus 6.84 because that's our value for b. So this is our equation. So we're going to go back to the regular screen. I'm going to type in my answer. Submit. There we go. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.